for buying this 10178 magazine holder from Fixture Displays. This is a beautiful unit to organize and display your magazines, books, and other literatures in your home or office. This unit comes pre-assembled, it folds flat, and it's very easy to set up and put away. Dimensions of this rack is 15.5 inches long, 9.8 inches wide, and 13.2 inches tall. It's fairly lightweight, about 2 pounds weight, and is super handy to organize on your countertop or put on your floor space. Four legs have rubber tips to protect, and it's well made. You're gonna love this rack. It will help make your home and business in much better organization. Thank you once again for shopping with us.